Hey guys, medyo medical tong content natin for today. Kagabi kasi akala ko na stroke ako. Kasi pagising ko sobrang first time ko yung hiluhod ganun yung mata mo, umikot yung paningin mo. So again, would be best syempre if you seek medical advice, okay? Bida-bida ako eh. So nag-check ako sa YouTube kung ano. So based on my symptoms, it's BPPV or benign paroxysmal positional vertigo. So again, it's just me, but if it's you, please seek medical advice, seek professional help. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is an exercise. May napanood akong YouTube for rehab. So it's called the Epley maneuver. So we're going to do it now. Okay, going to do it now. So, bakit ko to ginagawa? Siyempre, gusto ko rin gumaling, no? And of course, siyempre, for the views. Okay. So, we're gonna do it now. So, if this video is published, meaning, successful yung ginawa nating e-play maneuver. Okay? Ito na. As per the video, so, twist, hindi mo siya makita lahat. Twist mo yung legs mo na ganyan. Tapos paghiga ako, in theory, iikot na raw dapat yung paningin ko eh. So, we'll see. Putang ina, nahulog. So, dahil conscious vertigo natin, ang inang yan, hindi umi-epekto, gago. Supposed to be iikot daw yun eh. Takot si gago, putang ina. Putang ina. Gumaling na yung vertigo ko. Putang inang yan. Takot. Eka. Ugh. 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 Ina. Wala. Gago. Dapat meron. Ugh. Putang ina. Hindi naman. Gago po. Putang ina. Ayan na. Nahilo na ako guys. Wait for it to finish the spinning daw eh. So it appears that spinning is happening from here. Wait for the spinning to stop daw eh. And then, okay, it stopped na. I'm gonna turn here and in theory, mag-spin daw yan eh. Parang tatagilid ako. Sit. Oh. It's spinning a little bit. Pero sobrang little lang. I'm hearing sound sa tenga ko. Yung it's not spinning, so I'm gonna harap ako. Wala, it's not spinning. So nakapikit lang talaga ako out of my own choice kasi bright yung ilaw namin eh. Okay, so after this step, yung tuhod mo, iaangat mo na. Higa na tayo. Not spinning. I'm gonna turn here. Not spinning. Ah, is it spinning? Hindi. Weird. Nag-spin lang siya nung sa side na yon. Ang weird. Let's try it again. Kumaga parang kinakalog mo yung utak mo. You are, inuulit mo yung proseso. Makes sense. Makes sense. Kasi putik talaga the other night. I thought, first time kasi nangyari sa akin to, I thought, parang stroke na ako. Kasi puta, may halong kaba din eh. Kapag first time, gumanong-ganon yung paningin mo, as in, putang ina. Seryoso, I'm not exaggerating, as in, actually, nung pinilit kong tumayo nun eh, not sure if you can see the blister here. Pagkapit ko kasi dun sa lamesa ko, parang mahuhulog ako. So, ginawa ko, kinagot ko to. Kasi yung kamay ko nakakapit pa eh. Pero yung katawan ko, paano yung ulo ko, babagsak uli sa kama. So, I was worried na pagbagsak ko, bakit hindi na ako magising? Okay? Yung, again, I'm just telling you my personal experience. I don't have any medical background. Utang na loob. Kaya, yun. Reenact natin ulit yung spinning Kasi malakad ako mamaya eh. So, ayoko naman umuna sa bagsak tayo fuck. Okay, I'm spinning na. I'm spinning, god damn it. I'm gonna turn here. It's because of the ano daw, calcium crystal sa tenga mo. It's like I'm recalibrating my body. Oh, spinning now. It's very trippy, guys. Need to wait for the spin to stop before we change our position. Ulo ko lang to Okay, spinning stop. I'm gonna move my body up. Oh, it's very trippy. Is it spinning? No spinning. Gonna let dito. No spin, but I'm still hearing the sound sa tenga ko. Pero guys, I'm gonna schedule an appointment with an ENT So, hindi proper itong ginagawa ko eh. Okay, I'm gonna move my body here. Oh, fuck. Is it working? I don't know. Pero yun, once you are aware of the spinning, it's not as creepy as before. Kasi yun nga, again, yung first time ko na-experience to, yung heart rate ko, ramdam ko, putang ina, parang lalabas sa sa rib cage ko yung puso. Kasi natatalanda ako, hindi ko alam, mag-isa ako dito sa apartment. Lalabas na ba ako? Magbubuk na ba ako ng Grab? Or hihingi na ba ako ng tulong sa kapitbahay ko? So, yun, it makes sense. Vertigo lang pala. Hindi mo nila lang yung vertigo, I remember before, I was thinking vertigo, sakit sa ulo, kaartehan lang yun. No, it's true. And then, fuck karma's a bitch. I'm experiencing it right now. Mandar pa ba yung mic ko? Okay, I'm experiencing it right now. Nakakatakot siya. Hindi siya nakakatuwa. Okay, let's simulate another spin So, pero super mild na nung spin ko ngayon. I'm not sure kung my body is healing itself. Kasi nung unang putang ina talaga, guys. As in yung, talaga, nakala ko susunduin na ako ni kamatayan. I was telling myself, Tang ina, not yet. Tangina, wag naman. I'm just 41. Diba? 41 lang ako. Shit. Diba? Isa pa, let's see, mag-spin pa ulit. Baka nahiya dahil may camera eh. Okay? Ah! 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 Oh, fuck. Parang ito na yata. Ah! Oo na. Gonna pop again. Pop up. Ugh. Pero I think the logic here is you have to train yourself with the spin, with the spinning in your head para masanay ka, I guess. Tuwing umaangat ako. Oh. Tuwing umaangat ako. Nag-spin siya. Pero ngayon parang ayaw na eh. Sabi ng doctor, minsan bagsak mo na yung ulo mo ganyan. It's supposed to spin, but it's not. It's not spinning. Let's do it on the other side. Isa pa. Wala. Okay, it's spinning, guys. Spinning here. Spinning stops. Angat ako. Is it spinning? No. I'm gonna move my knee back up. Katawan naman. As per the exercise, you're supposed to feel a spin right now, but I'm not. So, move on. Ulo lang. They're spinning. No. I'm gonna move my body. They're spinning. No. Now I'm gonna pop out. It's fucking spinning, guys. Medyo nakakasuka na. I don't know if it's working. But making yourself aware, I guess that's it. Not. Body. It's spinning. Controller breathing. Calm yourself. The spinning should stop. Okay, just the head. No spin. I'm gonna move my body. Ugh. 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 Gonna pop up from this angle. Ugh. 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 Still spinning, guys. Ugh. Again, guys, seek professional advice, ha? Tipo, nasusuka na ako. Alam mo yung hilo sa biyahe, nasusuka ka? I'm simulating that shit right now. Ugh. 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 I hope it feels better. Check natin yung mata ko ah. 15 minutes ko na palang ginagawa to. I don't know. It's like, I don't know if it's working though. Parang, pero it's a very trippy feel, guys. It's very trippy. Not sure kung gumadagdadilate ba yung mata ko pag pumipihit ako. I'm not sure. Not sure. Anyways, oh fuck. God, ang sarap matulog dito. Anyhow, that's it for today. Today is a Saturday. Pag sinipag ako, ayun, magpapa-check ako sa ENT ko. I hope pag nalang, pag yung nagayahin ginawa ko. Pero hindi, ibang-iba yung ginawa ko dun sa napanood ko na video. Parang, I have to trigger the spin. Which is, walang direction, it's random eh. Kasi pag bigla akong tumayo, may hilo. So, what? I'm gonna... yung namdam ko ngayon yung parang susuka, yung hilo sa biyahe. Stand up slowly. Ayun, pinagpapawisan ako. Kinakabahan ako kanina eh. Hilo ngayon. Ayun. Nakatangod. Ayun na. So, yun, matakot sa vertigo. Right? So, pero again, seek professional help pa rin ha. Hindi ako doktor. So, baka stroke na yan. So, pa-check up pa rin. Right? Pero, yun nga, as per my own personal assessment, it's vertigo. Okay? And yung mga sinabihan ko before na kaartihan lang yung vertigo, I'm really sorry. Technically, di ko naman sinabi. Siguro sa utak ko lang. Because, yun nga, again, karma's a bitch. I'm feeling it right now. So, it sucks. Okay? So, yun nga guys. I hope, you find this educational. Okay? So, for more, hindi ko talaga wait lang, I'm reaching out to my laptop. Benign shit. Okay, so benign paroxysmal positional vertigo, BPPV. And what we just did is yung Epley maneuver. Ano naman yan? Epley maneuver, yun na yan, tuhod mo, ganyan. Higa, ganyan. So, it's supposed to spin, pero it's not happening to me. Biglang tumayo. Ayan, so, again, ang assessment, personal assessment ko lang parang siguro, it's all about, reenacting the spin. So, parang iti-trigger mo yung sarili mo na mag-spin para masanay ka, I guess. Okay? Kasi praning na praning ako nun, pag ganyan lang, parang, yung panic yung kalaban mo eh. Anyhow, sa tagal ko rin palang kumuda dito for 20 minutes. So, I hope na makatulong to for awareness. Vertigo is totoo. Pa-check up tayo. Okay? So, again, this is Tito Tom. Please like and subscribe. Halo-halo yung mga videos ko, pero yun nga, I hope magustuhan nyo. Merong food, mga niluluto ko. And gusto ko sana gawing niches yung vape. Kaso nga lang, wala na akong time bumili ng iba't ibang vape. Pero I'll try my best to create new videos. And yun, cooking. Cooking, maasahan nyo ako dyan. I'm always, pag motivated naman ako, nagluluto ako eh. Okay guys, be safe po And again, please like and subscribe. Comment then if you like, okay? Bye.